In today's society, life without plastic is nearly impossible. Natural plastic have been used for thousands of years throughout the world.
What do you want? Have justice. What do you want?
Then these type of plastic take actually 1,000 years to break down into their subatomic particles.
Hence, in the following few minutes, we will describe the situation to you and try to give you few ways out of our doom. Hence, we ask for your full undivided attention.
As you see behind me, there's a mountain of garbage known as Mount Ghazipur, and this is made up of plastic, and probably the best example of plastic on land. This is a plastic dump which has a height of 65 meters, which is approximately 8 meters less than the height of Qutub Minar. क्या नाम है भैया आपका?
इंद्रवीर।
कब से रह रहे हो भैया आप यहाँ?
यार बचपन से रह रहे हैं कौंडली में सामने।
अच्छा, और इस डंपिंग यार्ड ये जो है गाजीपुर का ये पहाड़,
हाँ,
कूड़े का पहाड़, इससे कोई दिक्कत होती है आपको?
दिक्कत तो है, गंदगी है, हवा आती है, बदबू भी आती है, उल्टी वगैरह होती हैं।
अच्छा, तो बहुत प्रदूषण है इधर।
ये तो है सबसे ज़्यादा।
तो लोग कैसे झेलते हैं इसे, इतनी बदबू वगैरह?
अब मजबूरी है, रहना पड़ रहा है आदमी को, क्या करें, बच्चे पालने तो रहना पड़ता है।
आप सरकार से क्या चाहते हो?
हम क्या चाहेंगे, जैसे जैसे हो या वाला खत्ता हट गया तो अच्छी बात है, और खत्ता हटता कहाँ है, एक बार गिर भी गया है।
हाँ,
पता नहीं कितने आदमी मर गए, अब क्या करें, पता नहीं कहाँ जाके टिकेगी बात।
Well, plastic does not lie on land only. It pollutes water too. Hence, we have asked our friend in Chennai to show it to you.
There is no heartbeat. There is no heartbeat. What do we want? Climate justice. When do we?
Hey guys, so it's 8th October today, somewhere around 4 p.m. and I'm here at the India Gate to attend Fridays for Future climate change rally. So it's going to be starting in another 5-10 minutes. So guys, we are in the Gate still, and it's somewhere around 4:30, and the number is still increasing. It's about 40 to 60 people around here, and this number will go up to maybe 100 or 200.
Fridays for future. Who are we? Fridays for future. Who are we? Fridays for future. Deforestation se azadi. There is no heartbeat. There is azadi. Gandi hawa se azadi.
Look how many people are on there. Hundreds of people. And I know this, the community in India has always been incredible. Plastic is an epidemic. It is something which these people know. And all I do know is, these are the people who can answer it, who can give us the solutions. Still, there's a lot to change. And the question still remains, there are only some people and not all. I was told that 2 hands can do wonders. Look how many are there. So our work over here is done, which is spreading awareness regarding climate change. So now let's find some answers.
Hey guys, we're at IIT Delhi.
At the Department of Material Sciences and Textile Technology. We're here to talk to Dr. Rajiv K. Srivastav.
Who is an expert in polymer chemistry. So basically, what are we here to do?
We're here to confer with Dr. Srivastav about the problems caused by plastic and the exact detailing and degree of these problems. So my first question to you is, how can plastic pollution and climate change be associated to each other?
Actually, directly, if we talk about these things, then directly plastic pollution cannot relate with climate change, but unless and until we burn those plastics. And so in the form of greenhouse gas emissions like carbon dioxide will evaporate from the process. So in these processes, it can surely affect the climate.
So my next question to you is, can degradable plastic contribute to solid waste management?
Yeah, for sure. Actually, degradable plastics can helps a lot in the solid waste management. But if we talk about the real life products of these biodegradable plastics, then they are like very less. A few people are still working on biodegradable plastics, but there are no currently products in the market right now.
The second very common myth, sir, is that recycling plastic reduces plastic waste. Is this true?
Actually, it depends on the conditions, like how we are degrading or recycling the plastic. If we are generally going for thermal recycling process, then we will surely get some toxic gases like carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. But if we are degrading the plastic by using some bacteria which are recently discovered by many groups, so if you are going through that process, then it can surely help for the environmental welfare.
So we just talked to Mr. Dheeraj Kumar.
Who is a PhD student under Dr. Srivastav. We were unable to talk to Dr. Srivastav due to his busy schedule.
But Mr. Kumar was still able to clear up a lot of our doubts and our situation about plastic pollution. We spent the past 8 minutes explaining the immense problem of plastic pollution. It is quite alarming. As specified before, the government lacks initiative. So instead of blaming them, let us focus on what we can do to reduce the use of plastic in our coming future.